If you are thinking about joining LiveGood, here is some advice to help you be more successful. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you are thinking about joining LiveGood, all right, you are watching the right video. First of all, LiveGood is blowing up right now in the network marketing / affiliate marketing world. Over 150,000 people have joined LiveGood in its first 3 months, and the numbers are growing at a crazy rate. All right, so here's a little piece of advice. If you decide to get started with LiveGood, or maybe you already joined LiveGood and you're just looking for some motivation, right? How you can be more successful with this opportunity. And this advice is super simple. Did my voice just go up? Super simple? Oh, this advice is super simple. You got to switch it up, you know what I mean? But it can be very effective. And why I'm doing this video is because I actually was doing what I'm about to tell you. All right. So when you do get started with LiveGood, right? Because you see so many people talking about it, right? It's to the point where you're like, damn, I got to join this, right? I got to join this. Like, I got to get some of this. So when you get started with it, right? You sign up, you get your back office. You see all the links you can promote. You get 3 different websites to promote, but mainly you want to promote that LiveGood tour page. You know what I'm saying? That's what you need to be promoting. But as you start promoting, right? You know, you might do YouTube, or you might do Facebook, you might do TikTok or Pinterest, whatever your preference is in marketing, right? But once you get started, maybe the first week or two, you might realize like, damn, I ain't getting no signups. I ain't even getting no pre-enrollees, right? I ain't making no money yet, right? And you start to like do your little research, and you getting on YouTube, right? Because I'm a YouTube dude, right? Most of my marketing is like 80% is like YouTube, right? But you get on here and you see other people posting LiveGood content, right? And this happened to me, I ain't gonna lie. You see people posting videos about LiveGood and they're showing you their results. And this is when I first got started. And you see all these people like, oh, I just hit another rank. I just did this. I just did that. I'm making all this money, right? And you're like, damn, why ain't I making no money, right? Then you watch another video. You see somebody else and their success, and you starting to hate a little bit, right? You start to be like, man, what is they doing? Like, they ain't no better than me. You know what I'm saying? I should be getting all these signups. I should be ranking up and all that, right? That's what you start thinking, right? But then it was funny because I was watching somebody, right? I was watching somebody, and I was kind of feeling that, you know, like, man, look at them. You know what I'm saying? Starting to get that little bit of, right? I'm like, look at them up here bragging about how much money they're making and getting all these people, man. This is, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of watching them. Come to find out that this person I was watching was actually on my team, right? They was actually above me. And guess what? The more people that join this person, right, is actually helping me in the long run, right? So the person that I'm kind of like hating on a little bit and being like, man, look at them, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to say hating, but I don't want to say jealous either. But I was just like, look at them. Look how successful they are, man, right? And I realized like, damn, I actually want them to be successful. Think about what I'm saying. I want them to be successful, because when they're successful, that's going to eventually trickle down to me one way or another. That's helping me out, right? So I instantly was thinking like, I went from kind of hating to like celebrating, because I'm like, yo, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Get them signups. Because I realized that a lot of people that I was following when it comes to LiveGood, they're actually on my team, right? They actually are helping me by creating content. And I'm doing the same thing for people that's joining underneath me and the people that's joining underneath them. By me creating this content and me getting people, you know, joining LiveGood, I'm helping other people that might be hating on me now, right? Somebody might be watching me and being like, look at this dude, man. You know what I'm saying? This dude think he, right? But I'm actually probably helping them in the long run by getting signups and creating content. So the point of this video is, don't hate, just promote, right? Don't hate, just promote. When you see other people doing their thing, right, there's a chance that they're on your team somewhere. They might be 4 people above you, right? But there's a good chance that they're on your team. So like when you see people posting content and you decide to watch it, study other people, because ultimately, I know this sounds kind of cliche and corny, but when you join LiveGood, once you're a LiveGood member, we all actually are on the same team, pretty much, right? So when you become a member, you should be excited, right? Be excited, and be excited when you see other people posting content and get ideas from them, and you know, really work the business. Because I tell people all the time, even though it's so simple, it's only $10 a month to become an actual member. Like, you know, it's easy to kind of like not take it serious, but you have to realize that the people who are successful so far in LiveGood are the people that's posting the most content and being the most consistent. All right. So like I'm saying, instead of you spending all of your time looking at other people's successes and LiveGood, you need to celebrate them and then duplicate what they're doing, right? Because if you're watching all these videos and looking at all these Facebook posts, you got to ask yourself, am I doing just as much as this person I'm watching, right? And if the answer is no, you need to step up, right? Do what you need to do to be successful in LiveGood, right? Don't hate, celebrate. Don't hate, just promote, right? Because LiveGood is one of these opportunities. Listen, once you join, sign up, you get that link, right? You get that link to the tour. Your job to be successful in LiveGood, your only job is to get people to that LiveGood tour link. That's your job, right? Figure out your style of marketing. Is it YouTube? Is it Facebook? Is it Pinterest? Is it TikTok? Is it offline, right? Don't forget about offline. You can get flyers made. You can do it yourself. You can get on Fiverr, right? You can have your friends do it, whatever, right? Whatever your style is, do it. It's all about taking action with this opportunity. And just remember, when you see other people doing it and promoting it, it's all good. They're probably helping you out, right? So don't hate, just promote. So if you haven't joined LiveGood yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is the perfect time to do it right now. So click the first link in the description, take the LiveGood tour, sign up, and get on the team. Let's go.